Struggling to send emails from your app because Zoho Mail SMTP settings are hidden? Learn the exact steps to configure SMTP in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you where to find the settings, then how to enable the Sent Copy option. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings panel. Then, from the left sidebar, select Mail Accounts to access your account settings. Now, click on the SMTP tab to configure the outgoing mail server settings. Go ahead and select the Save Copy of Sent Emails checkbox to keep a copy of all SMTP sent messages in your Sent folder. Once that's done, click Save to apply the changes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.